In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram feed and Reels to Shopify. We'll walk through the entire process step by step so you can display your latest posts and Reels directly on your online store. This is a great way to add fresh social proof to your pages without needing to manually update anything. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the drop-down options, choose Apps. Once you're in the app search, type InstaFeed and press enter on your keyboard. This will open the Shopify App Store with all the matching results. From the search results, look for the app called Mint InstaFeed Instagram Feed. This is the app we'll be using to pull your Instagram content into your store. Click on it, then click the button to install the app. Follow all the installation prompts Shopify shows you. Just continue through until the app is fully installed and you're taken into its dashboard inside Shopify. Once you're in the Mint InstaFeed dashboard, you'll see an option that says Connect with Instagram. Click that. You'll be redirected to a new page where you can connect your Instagram account. Log in with your Instagram credentials as you normally would, and when prompted, click Allow to grant the app permission to access your Instagram content. This is necessary so the app can display your posts and Reels on your store. After you confirm, you'll be taken back to the InstaFeed dashboard in Shopify. Now, inside this dashboard, look for a button that says Add to Theme. Click that, and you'll see a drop-down where you can choose where you want to display your Instagram feed. You can add it to your home page, a product page, a collection page, or a regular page. Select the option that fits your layout. Once you choose, Shopify will automatically open your theme editor on that specific page. On the right side of the theme editor, in the live preview, you should now see your Instagram feed appear on the page. This is a live preview of how your visitors will see your posts and Reels. On the left sidebar, look for the Apps section. Under that, you'll see the InstaFeed block. You can click and drag this block up or down to reposition it on the page, for example, above your footer or just below featured products. If you click on the InstaFeed app block itself, you'll open its settings panel. Here you can customize the title that appears above your feed, adjust the title color and size, change the margins to add more spacing, choose whether to show an Instagram link, adjust the alignment, and tweak the background and other visual options. Take a moment to experiment until the feed matches your store's design. Once you're happy with how everything looks and where it sits on the page, go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. That's it. Your Instagram feed and Reels are now integrated into your Shopify store and will automatically update as you post new content on Instagram.